Hello everyone, and hello everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm actually very excited about this. We are going to be making Rosanna Pansino's Nerdy Nummies Gummies. I have the video here because I'm going to forget how to do this. So I got these two adorable flamingos and some toucans. We're going to make some birds. I don't think these are going to work very well. These flamingos, they have legs, and I don't think the jelly is going to come out of there very nicely. I need some spring cook. Okay, so what's the first thing we got to do? So I'm only making two flavors, just so you know. I have some freshly squeezed orange juice. And then I was going to do the pureed strawberries, but I ran out of strawberries. I didn't have enough strawberries to make a cup, so I threw in some blueberries. So we've got mixed berry jellies. Hopefully it works. It probably will not work. Let's jump in. All right, you ready? Okay.
Which one do you want to make first? Which flavor? I'm kind of feeling the strawberry puree. Okay. All right. So
Puree.
Pour it all in. Okay. Yep, everything.
Okay. Pour it all in. It's been sitting in the fridge for a while. Let me get a spoon. A spoon. Let's just mix that up a little bit. This isn't gonna work. There's been like some chemical reaction between these two berries to be like, hey, let's make some jelly. We're off to a roaring start, aren't we? Yes, done. What's next?
And a little bit of gelatin. Shake that in.
Okay, the gelatin comes next, and it is 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin. They're in sachets. This is going to go well. Okay. All right, that's 1 tablespoon. It's not going to end well. Hey. Nope. Well, I saw that happening. Fine, a little bit of extra gelatin. Slightly firmer gummies. Oh, right, then we've got to put the honey in there. Honey. Here it is. 2 tablespoons of honey, right? There's got to be an easier way to get into this honey. There is. There's always an easier way. Okay, that's about 1. Okay, that's about 2. Okay, she didn't put in the citric acid, but because I went on such a huge flipping mission to get the citric acid, I'm gonna put it in. 3/4 of a teaspoon. I have 1/4 of a teaspoon here, so I'm going to put it in. Cause honey, I like it sour. 2, 3. You know, I'm doing the full thing. Why not? Right? Okay, so now we're whisking. I'm just whisking for as long as she is whisking. Whisk. I think that's well enough whisked. Oh, it's so hot today. I wish it wasn't. This is why I'm making gummies. They're like the perfect summer treat. Also, I love gummies. I especially love sour gummies. Sour gummies are my favorite. I got honey everywhere. Okay, so I think now I can sit and wait for it to bloom. So in 5 minutes, I'll be back. All right, see you in a bit. So, I mean, I've let this sit for a while now because I don't know. But, you know, she picked up the pot in the video and she did this and it didn't come out, and mine's not coming out. It looks pretty nice. So now we take it over to the stove. I need to find out what we do next. Okay, over to the stove on a medium heat. All right, come on guys, let's go on an adventure. Okay, we let it simmer for just a few minutes. Wow, I'm doing great. Oh, there we go. It's becoming a liquid. Oh, there we go. That looks so good. I'm excited for these. I think that is ready. So we're gonna do the flamingos in the pink bit, right? So now I don't have a fancy dropper, but I just pour those in there. It's so cute. I've made a huge mess already. Whoops. I'm getting this everywhere. This is not the most elegant way to do it. Oh my goodness. These are not gonna turn out well, and I'm shaking so much as well. And as I feared, I have too much gelatin and not enough mold. We're gonna do some toucans. Top off these ones. I'm making such a mess. This is not as neat as Rosanna's. So there are my little jellies. Okay, so now what I need to do is pop my jellies into the fridge for an hour and let them set. Then I'll come back and make my second flavor. This is exactly the way I didn't want to do this, but my brain wasn't working, so I'll see you guys in an hour. Good morning, it's a new day, and the night got away from me last night. The gummies are definitely set. So let's try and squeeze them out and then make the next bunch. Let's try to squeeze out the ones that I kind of loosened up last night because I'm a genius and I forgot to grease the things, so they usually got nice and stuck. But these are cute, look at that, look at this gummy. Hey, this one came out pretty perfectly. Oh, look at it. I was so proud of myself for remembering to grab the spray and cook, but didn't actually use it. All right, that's all of them. Look at them. Look at those gummies. Okay, let's try the flamingos. Nope.
Hey, yo, Bubs.
I don't see these flamingos coming out in one piece. He lost his feet, just as I suspected he might. Moral of the story, guys. Grease your molds. Yeah, look at that little gummy. Kitty, you want to try a gummy?
Which one is the most mutilated?
I don't know, they're all
Probably
pretty
this
mutilated.
guy.
Yeah, try that little flamingo. What do you think? Delicious. So they have been sister approved. The orange ones will be better, because I'll actually grease the molds. You live and you learn. All right, I've emptied both of the molds. They're both empty now. Look at all of these gummies. Boom, jellies. Gummies. Time to taste. I'm gonna taste a messed up one. Tasty. Delicious. I think I made a pretty good mixed berry gummy there. All right, time to wash dishes and make the orange ones. I'm not gonna wash all the dishes. All right, so my molds are clean. They're still kind of drying. It's really hard to dry them. And this time, I'm putting my spray and cook right on top of them so I don't forget. I don't have my computer with the recipe. I'm just gonna try my best to remember it. That's gonna go super well for me. Okay, let's mix them. I've definitely greased that way too much. All right, they are greased. I remembered to do the very important step that I forgot to do last time. Always grease your pans, kids. Okay, so I got my freshly squeezed orange juice. I know it's supposed to be a cup. Oh, let's get all that pulp in there. It's a little bit less than a cup. I squeezed 2 oranges. It's fine. We're going with it. Okay, let's get our gelatin, 2 tablespoons. Okay, let's whisk that in. Then it is 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Whoa. 1, 2. Mix that all together. The last ones were a bit tart. These are going to also be nice and tart and sour, and I love sour things. Sour sweets are literally my favorite sweets. Whisk that all up together. Whisk, 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 whisk. Such an easy recipe that I can remember it all on my lonesome. Now I wait for 5 minutes to let it bloom. And then we put it on the stove top, and then we put it in the mold. Ah, lovely. I will see you guys in 5 minutes time.
Yes! I've left it for a long time. I think it's bloomed, but it's not, you know, I can't like pick it up and show you. So I'm just gonna try my luck with this. So let's go over to the stove. Well, I'm gonna go over to the stove. You don't need to see this again. I'm gonna heat it up and put it in the molds. Okay, so that's fully liquefied now, and we're gonna pour it into the molds. Let's do it. Okay, those are all filled up, and I'm gonna pop them in the fridge and we will check on them in an hour. Hopefully they said. All right, see you guys then. Okay, so it has been an hour. These have been chilling, and in that hour I got some cat cuddles and made another video. I was super productive. Super productive. All right, so let's pop some of these jellies out and see how we did. Yay! Oh my goodness! It's so cute. Look at how cute it is. Oh my goodness. That's adorable. It came out perfectly. Grease the molds. It makes a world of difference. They're coming out perfectly. All of them. Oh. Oh, there he goes. Whoa. Easy peasy. True test of greasing the mold. Grease the molds! Grease the molds, because look at how perfect this flamingo is. Oh my goodness. It's so perfect. These are amazing. Yay! I'm so happy. I just want to show you this pile of gummies that I have now. A pile of gummies. I am thrilled. These are so cute. And what I haven't done yet is tried one. I'm really excited about these orange ones. These ones are a little more floppy. Understandable because I made it with juice. It's really nice. A pretty pure orange flavor, and it's a little more tangy, but they are actually like so nice. I'm really happy I tried this recipe. Rosanna, you're a genius. This is a wonderful treat, especially for summer. So there you have it. Rosanna Pansino's Nerdy Nummy Gummies. Hey, the boobs. Hey, the boobs. She's curious about that. Yes? Do you think they're good for you? Do you think you would like them? Probably not. She's going for the flower now. Yay! So those are the Nerdy Nummy Gummies. I'm so happy I gave these a shot. They are so yummy. And yeah. So anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comment section below. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to support me and give it a boost, please subscribe to this channel. I just realized that my mic is here somewhere and that probably messed it all up. So if you'd like to support me and this channel, please subscribe. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.